Hi sunshines, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. If this is your first time seeing this beautiful damsel, hi, I'm Uchechi Winifred, aka winifredkal, aka Uche of Canada, and you are most definitely welcome. So guys, if you have ever thought about weight loss, if you have ever, thought about, wanting to feel your best, wanting to you look your best, you feel like you've struggled with your weight for so long, I understand. I totally understand. If you have even thought about it like, I feel heavy, I don't feel like I'm in my best, I want to just shed some pounds, this video is for you. I just feel like I could be in a better shape, right? And it's been on my mind for so long, but like I just didn't know what to do. I've tried intermittent fasting, it just didn't really work for me. Recently I even tried to do the egg fast, it just did not work, you guys. It's not something that I could really sustain. I've tried to starve myself sometimes, that did not work. And something I've come to notice about my body is that whether I'm stressed, whether I'm happy, whether I'm sad, whatever emotions I go through, I gain weight. I gain weight with the slightest possible, like with anything I gain weight. When I'm stressed, I gain weight. When I'm happy, I gain weight. So I don't really know what to do sometimes. Like it gets so frustrating because it seems like my weight fluctuates. But even in the fluctuation, it's still within the 80s, right? And that's not a healthy weight for me. I've always felt like 70, 75 maybe is a healthy weight for me, but like being in the 80s has just got me so bothered, so worked up. And a few weeks ago, a company reached out to me, MychWay, God bless you, MychWay, told me about their body contour products and everything, and I was like, yes, please send it to me, anything to just help me shed some pounds, because I've tried intermittent fasting. I've tried to starve myself sometimes, like I would literally eat maybe like very tiny food in a day, just once. I've tried so many things, to be honest. Working out, I've tried to work out and be consistent, and I feel like it's also a consistency thing, because I get discouraged when I'm like working out and I'm doing so many things and it just feels like the scale is not moving. It gets so discouraging, and when I'm stressed, I binge eat. Like it's so bad. That's why I feel like when I'm stressed, I gain weight, because for some reason, food just feels like it's my comfort, I just eat, and sometimes I don't even eat as much, but still I gain weight. So regardless of what I do, I gain weight. People that don't gain weight, they're so lucky, because I don't know how they do it. Anyways, I wanted to come here and share with you guys what I've been doing. I've not been consistent with it. Let's get that out of the way. If you have been looking for an effective way to sculpt your body at home, to just shed some pounds at home without doing too much, if you know that you're lazy when it comes to exercising, whatever the case may be, guys, MychWay got you. So I've been using MychWay for a couple of weeks now. I've not been very consistent, let me be honest, because it could have been better, right? You guys, I'm going to show you guys my before and after, and you guys can be the judge of what, how much difference this product made in my life. You guys can also comment if you see any difference, because I feel like I do see a difference, and I'm currently also weighing 83. I'm going to weigh myself, and I'm also going to add that to the video. I'm currently weighing 83, and I've eaten a lot today, you guys. I'm not even joking. I just got back from work maybe like an hour ago. Yeah, an hour ago, and I ate a lot at work. Okay, I do eat a lot at work because I get stressed. When I'm on my break, I go on break 2 times, 30 minutes. I'm binging on something. There's always snacks at work, and I'm still within 83 point something. And the last I weighed myself I was at 85 point something. But earlier this year, I was actually at 87. So I need to give myself a pat on the back, because I've actually lost about 4 kg. Which is a good one. Even though sometimes I don't feel like I see the difference in my body, but I know that I should just keep pushing, I've missed out on some weeks, like in between, not using it, maybe using it just once or not using it at all. But I still feel like I do see a difference. And something I also like about this product is that when I'm done using it, I have that urge to it helps me poop. That's TMI, but I do have issues with like bloating and all of that, because I do drink water, but I feel like maybe the water I'm drinking is not enough, because I don't know why I don't go to the toilets like that. But it does help. because when it's like on my body, when the pads are on my body, I can just feel it. I can feel like, movements. I can feel like my body is like, the fat is melting. I can feel it. So that's something else I wanted to point out. But yeah, I feel like it's a good product. If I had been super consistent, I'm sure I would have seen like a lot more, results. Like I could have seen a better result or achieved a better result by now, because I started using it. I think I started using it officially in February, so that was like last month. In January, I got it in January, but I don't think I used it for like weeks, because I just unboxed it. The first time I made a video when I unboxed it. I used it once, and I didn't use it for like 2 weeks because I was overwhelmed with a lot of work, and then I got back to using it and everything. But I wanted to just share with you guys that this product actually works, because I just can feel the difference. It might not seem like it's a lot, maybe because I also wasn't that consistent, but I do feel like it works. And I'm going to leave all the details to this product, and also they have a range of products for body contouring, whether you want to contour your arm, whether you want to contour your abs or your legs or your chin. You guys, they have different products on their website. Imagine having a device that helps you with body contouring, skin tightening, fat reduction, all from the comfort of your home. That is amazing, you guys. There is a lot of like salons, beauty spas and all of that have this device that you have to pay a lot of money to just use it. Imagine having it in your home and then using it as much as you want. It's going to give you the result that you are searching for. Trust me. That's not all. This is the best batch. So if you're interested in getting any of MychWay's, weight loss or body contouring products, they have a range of products on their website. You guys should definitely check it out. I do have an exclusive discount for you all because I love you. Okay, you need to try out this product for yourself. If you spend over $300, I'm going to give you $40 discount with my code CAL40. You spend over $200, you're getting $30 discount with CAL30. If you spend over $600, you're getting $45 off with CAL45, and so on and so forth. I'm going to be leaving all the details in the description box and also on the screen. So yeah, make sure to check them out. If you're like really struggling, see, even if you're not trying to really lose weight, but you're trying to tone your abs, they have a product for you. Okay, guys, trust me on that one. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about my before and after. I have not gone to the gym. I've not really been doing exercise, to be honest. The highest I do is walk. When I'm at work, walk around, that's it. And I've been using this product, inconsistently, mind you, and I still feel like I do see a difference. So let me know what you guys think about that. No matter the type of like body sculpting device you're looking for, whether body contouring, you're trying to shed some weight, you're trying to burn some fat, you're trying to melt those fats, especially in those stubborn areas. We know that tummy fat is the most stubborn fat ever. They're trying to burn that fat. Trust me, MychWay has a solution for it. Just make sure to check out their website and thank me later. If you do have any questions at all about this product, mind you, is non-invasive and it is a very mild product. And it melts it. You basically get the fat out through like your normal, waste removal process. Basically, you're going to go poo-poo, right? That's how you get the fat out when it's done doing all its work. And I use it for 30 minutes. You're going to see there's a menu. You're going to just follow the instructions and everything. But yeah, make sure to check them out and just check out the website. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to me, or you can, leave your questions in the comment section. Imagine you combining this with like healthy eating, like, having a healthy lifestyle, trying to eat more clean, trying to be more active as well. Trust me, I feel like you're going to lose more weight than you even expected. You're going to not just lose weight, but also tone your body. Because me personally, I know that I was not consistent. I feel like if I was consistent with like using it every week, I would have seen better progress. But life was just happening to me, and I just used it whenever I remembered. I was like, oh, I've not used this stuff this week. Okay, let me use it. Especially weekends. I couldn't really use it during weekdays because when I wake up, I'm like literally in the bathroom trying to get ready for work. So I mostly use it on Saturdays and Sundays. But I feel like you should give yourself a little bit of space. Maybe use it maybe on Wednesday and the next one on Friday. You can use it 3 times as well, but most times I tend to use it just twice. I never used it for 3 times, mostly once or twice in a week. That's how much I used it. So yeah, if you have any questions about this product or any of their products, make sure to leave it in the comment section, and I'll be sure to respond to you guys as well. I love you all, and let me know what you guys think about my before and after. I don't think I lost weight in my face though, because I didn't really use it on my face. I just focused on the abs. I focused on the abs because that's like the main thing I'm trying to shed. The main weight I'm trying to shed. But yeah, guys, I'll talk to you guys soon. Keep shining your light because you're a superstar. You are a shining light. Bye, guys. Peace.
That's going to carry an astronaut to the stars. I think we can say